bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduke cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, Omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Uya kegimana inde umurigerera bwegeta senikia Getembe twairire ribageria abene gukwarigana nako gukwanya andonse asore osoe asemesa Ekeonga tokomanye egatiari agende twateka kurwa imenesko yorogongorwa gusi kurwa somono riwe manyeriro veni Nyaboga nerogongo nyancenga trene Nyaboga makwils nerokoneke buna chibicha namarogingo ikirachira senchira erejo bwekanu kanansoike obena intoweka omwario abarai a kurwa eward ya Kitutu Central ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South county ya Kisii nigo baikranite ase birero bya matanga ensemo ya Kiongonki ase ewode yo bakurawa no mo MC bwenseme yo Duke Nyarango nigo bakwanirete amagendro yenseme yo ase Nyaranga kwanirete chibasari nabo igo ebisima bya mache ase enseme yo nde oyore nirango so yogo chakuria ikirogo kyoburayibu kyobo MC ase enseme yo Josephat Kakasungura nigo akwanirete tunigaru tokobore utasomo MC yo korigereria echire daraja 2 nabo igo korigereria abasai amabagaje mirimo kurwase wodi ya Kitutu Central
amachaya iga elengo yareta inga matiki kyongi amachaya igo mbegete budget akogende myuru byose gogenda ari guchiri mate konaus agenda ikege samate agende mwamugisa agende buchura agende kayaba mate abantu bitubanyanyore bonse macha ni gara mange bana batebiriga ikera witira abamanyi bari bamache banyapimire mbiyare cyo ari yange macha arabukunyu direct igonche kubasaba macha yayiga Orio kuja gucaria na itiga ini gitukiinu ta gucaria maji badi bose na etachi bachita bakawiki form teach bazari bagacha bakuyimbia sana bagaichuria lakini bakanya kuichicheki chicheki chire chiro office chire cheino mugari tigo chioye kera twarike ruri rume togotebunga chicheki kyo speech chire chiwodi chira ne baki kya yanya bantu baraja wikioi for now nge kumatenga ngo ichureti enda ngubuye cheki ya kuri office ya negalia so terangiri gwira negalia
town ya Linja ya mwarora lakini ekaga tono mugavana yuke no mu MCA okitutu central ama bagani gare 400 eba bali ba beta affected baringe 315 I talk out of the record imbugate ama bagaya 75 bakitu anja monye nyanya kobe kujoronsi dora bangi na bali maiga bali ke baoni nyanya gari town so that tokonya abantu baito ere kujago sero egento kende abamurabara igamba bwati gas nyambera ali nayo kugamboro oroja abantu bakwaga cyari mpaka bakolema abande ndo bamaito utakora baga abamurabare mayaga abitokonye aya tobekere gari banyole sabuni mara kwa daraja 2 nere connect chirese chinyinge pi ere namba isato kenyingi aya buno mu MC gamba na gabana rosia sakorekana abayibori baitomba kwa mbaku bono mam ebori umuyibori mamu aba mwana ganye to ngina ati mara kwa bane ne sukuma gose kende ngo kure kakidio kya waro ne to tokonya iromu swada ali bori daraja 2 ro sibu abangina bamba gotwe egera 2020 kerengo so you make a very good handover I make Kitutu Central great again
kali mwa koleta application yechi basa linkole tangazo twaenanete university secondary MTC na TTC kuna bono St Paul Keroka TTC echichonsipi chiagaire tayare ugo ulio tigarete maybe ubwato mwana buna load MTC okonyora mbuye kole tafadhali uchakera mambia genda office yetu ya Nyanchwa oewe echeki eyo ogende nero so ntaite gukebeka kirianga chivocha chirichonsipi twabaete alionsi pia lenga masakara bono igabeire cheki echeki yabeire besa
na abuna nchire yemo yokoiroberia bosibo bochorio bonene bore bosio na boigo bochorio boke anemono imeye wodi ya Nyansiongo wodi ya Nyamaiya amone wodi ya Kerenyo echichi wodi soto imeye county ya Nyamira ikiama kia UPA nigo kiagenderere kwiroberia boikirano bosibo bochorio bo baokwana chingaki ababata nibekia mekyo korwasi chigodi chansi merongebere imeye county ya Nyamira batwarige karoswamrana mambieri tskura rero nigo baburira bagusiwe sokia na kwirike buna babwatani ase kia mekyo eriogochia konyora igetari ekenene ase serikali irache korosigo mwaka 2027 ege karekyo nigo gya kyabagiye korawa no muraibwe kia mekeiga oyuboigo ore omugavana we county ya Nyamira omoske mo menyaribo
igoto inkobanga amangana yepati nandinga kitoko genda moto ikiagara munatorigere chimoto bono tutabeti amamuno mugusi tutenene chama yemo nto butwara nguru chindi chonse nande to gopage inyana onse mondo tayora gosike ikiagara mo musambara tiketa noroje buna bono torega utobangire ebinto muroje biuchiroche byagenda nande uchibigoro binde into twatumwa lakini gochimotwe ntabo monto ugusikwa naendo buyambore nto bwate candidate okorukwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i uyaba Kenya banchire watene new president anyare okonya Kenya yeito igo gaiga asitore mono naende twachiko gamba igori pa elections sire iseko banyansiongo Nyamaiya na Ekerenyo igo no kwebanga na make sure that a party neyemo a candidate neyemo nentunyare we are sat ourselves tobe the honorary party koru region yago abagusi igentonda watebine akamo oteba angeti goko bango twabangirwe amatuka mange asenje tokobagana abandi batoka bakare Jubilee abandi batoka no ODM abandi batoka Nkanu Yani mwana watina tori democratic kieye ayota rochumna tori konyora kende. You have no table. You have no space on the table. You go bargain for anything. Igabone yentonku baboria, obomo nechinguru. Tobe amo, naitora atuare sauti eyemo.
Takaskavosio omoseneta omochore kurwa ekaunti ya Kisii gwetera ekiama kia UDA omoske omosubati esi okenyuria nyini nigo akwanire amang'ana bwangoiga yabereka gonchokanana nabo egosara emitanda ase chiposta chobolimo chiabeire chigotara igoro yaye okenyuri nigo ainekeiri abagusina abantu bonse buna ing'ana rinde ryonsi gose nkwanende yonsi ekorwa ase abisi yaye nigo ekobekwa ase mitandao yaye yabe nabo igo bunenchire yemo yokworoke buna ere no mwase ko nabo igo omwene asatabire abo babere bakonchokana ni amang'ana yoborimo nabo bamuganireti amabe asenga sensemende nigere nere byo guchasa bagusi nabo igo abakenya asoko gendera kumusira kwenekia buna nkokorare siasa chirichingia.
Hi good people, I believe you're having a good throwback Thursday. First, I'm here to appreciate the support you give me towards executing my mandate as a senator. And secondly, for the past few months and weeks, we've had a lot of impersonation of my social media handles, and I wish to address that by saying that any official communication that is originating from Senator Esi Okenyuri Nyaituga Anyeni originates from my social media handles that are certified official, and any other information that does not originate from those handles should be treated as false, misleading, and propaganda. The intentions of whoever is churning out that information is well known to themselves. But I would wish to state that we are so focused on the work we want to do and the work we are doing and the work we have been doing. That's our focus as AC Okenyuri Nyaituga team.
Mambia yerit koria rero muraiwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigo arigania bana bodaboda kurochi sub-county chunsi imeyensi ya Kenya asakora egekana borabo ase nyomba yobura ya State House omochio Nairobi. Ruto nigo aetogia na guyake gikuba asoko ba murayo mutangani oinyoire abana bodaboda na mamamboga asoko bakora imechango na kobasoya imeye serikali.
Na tukasema tutapanga mpango ya bottom up. Yani tutaanza na kule chini. Tutaanza na kule chini. Because hiyo ndio philosophy ambayo itahakikisha ya kwamba kila mtu anachangia katika kupeleka Kenya mbele, na kila mtu anahuzishwa, na kila mtu anashughulikiwa, kuanza wale wadogo tukipanda mpaka wale wakubwa. Kama kuna kiongozi, and I say this without fear of any contradiction, kama kuna kiongozi ambaye amefanya harambee, amesimama na bodaboda, hakuna kiongozi ananishinda katika taifa letu la Kenya. Ni kweli ama si kweli? That is the truth. Na ndio sababu katika uchaguzi uliopita niliinua wanabodaboda mpaka wakakuwa ndani ya conversation ya uchaguzi. Si ndio? Katika uchaguzi iliyopita group mbili zilikuwa katikati ya mambo ya uchaguzi. Bodaboda na mama mboga. Nani ameintroduce bodaboda na mama mboga katika conversation ya taifa letu la Kenya? Si ndio? Na ndio leo hakuna mtu anaweza kutishia biashara ya wanabodaboda.
Mugavana we kaunti ya Kericho Moske Eric Mutai asentunda yende ni ganyoliro gwakwa yemaga ya ango mwaka oyomo kobyoka korwa asengana yo gwakwa isiko ya bisi Jumatano ya igoro ni gomo MCA we goda ya Kedowa Kimgul Nicholas Chumba aigeti omujadara osomuswada boko mwaka isiko Moske Mutai ase acheteno bosaiti aona komomochia no bokurubino botumekyo bobewe abisi gente kyo nigo keirero mugavana Moske Mutai kogania koyebuna serikali gose ebonge ye kaunti yo ya Kericho asatebire ngocha kabare osengo cha kabareri kosangerera chisei anene mono gocha credit kore ankyo eria achikobunia serikali yo nagosoa ase na kaunti yo gosoa ase obochorio boye na koboria moraibwense gosana nagati eri kogayana engane yo imeye kaunti ya Kericho.
I therefore officially invite the residents of Kericho County to consider and pursue a constitutional petition for the dissolution of a county government under Article 192 of the Constitution of Kenya. Let us no longer be just to function. Tomorrow, we will begin collecting signatures across the county to dissolve the county and petition the president to petition the county government of Kericho, and then we'll go back for fresh elections and let the people decide. We will not continue like this. We will not be hostage. And so tomorrow we'll kick off the process of collecting signatures to dissolve Kericho County. And we respectfully ask the president that by next week, when we'll be presenting for him the documents, to gracefully accept the people's of Kericho's decision, to the wills of Kericho, to dissolve the county, and we all go back to seek fresh mandate from the people of Kericho. I commit. We are waiting for the impeachment to take place next week. We commit to avail ourselves in the assembly. We are ready to face the assembly. We are ready to face Senate. We are ready to explain our story. Because when you say to the governor that so and so did this and this, the governor is not the accounting officer. And we know how those reports were worked over throughout the night. How money was changing hands. How even reports committees in the assembly were being asked to change reports so that they can meet this kind of vendetta.
Mwaziri woboreni boime Onesmus Kipchuma Murkome nigo akwanire mebaskano sechipara na komenta kana kwa mebaskane yu. Okona korwa akaunti ya Kericho imambia rero nigo akwane ateba ekyombekere kia NTSA wizara yoboreni boime na boigo wizara yeshipara nchije kubwatanana eriko kia nema baskano eyo sechipara ase boigo akwanire chigali kubogolia abantu gwetania kerengo abantareba kurundia chigali batindete na boigo korundia chigali ase chimbero cheigoro kera omwaka murkomeni gateba gwetania abantu chiribusano nigo bagosiria amagima abo gwetera emebaskano yeshipara imeyensi ya Kenya asaboigo akwandira chinsemo gose black spots imeyensi ya Kenya ase emibasekani yo yabeire gekoba anana mono ensemere ya Londiani.
We believe the Minister of Roads and NTSA, even when I was in that office, we have been very, very concerned about the prevalence of road accidents, especially Londiani area, and the general indiscipline among drivers driving along our roads, driver testing of vehicles. I think there are so many initiatives that are ongoing, including vehicle inspection that is going to be decentralized and involve private sector. So there's a lot of work that's going on in the Ministry of Roads and NTSA towards making road safety very important. We came here a few years ago and did road markings, and before even we left, some characters had already stolen the material that was used, especially these scrap metal sellers. So there is a lot of work that needs to be done on road safety, and there is need to make sure that personal responsibility among drivers and also the passengers, because when we are filling vehicles, congesting vehicles, you know that it's a 14-seater matatu, but you are insisting that you must get in to 20, 21 and so forth. You know that the driver is drunk, but you are okay. you know, is overspeeding and you're sitting there. So it's a responsibility of both sides. The drivers, the NTSA, the traffic police, and also the question of personal responsibility among citizens can bring us together. It's very sad that we lose nearly 5,000 people every year through road accidents. And this is an issue, and this is one of those counties that has a number of black spots. Even on your way to Kisii, Kablong area, you talk about Londiani, among others. It's important that we observe road safety rules, and I believe that collaborating with the Ministry of Roads, we will continue working together to make sure that our roads are safe.
Yunigati yari tokendete gukwariganiria achikugochira senchira ere yobwekiranu na haruni ototo nyangiri Chinsa ibere na boigo Chinsa inyetyo botko bwarero to skari nchingoro wakatiri ni Nyaboga veni Nyaboga cross omuno boy manyiri maki wisga kweneke buna chibichana maringo ikirachira senchira ere yobwekiranu twaro burigero borobya tumradiri tukuria ankyo.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarwa South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati rolling mills eyuko yabwatuka ucyase abahonya aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigiriye amabati andonsialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yigakurigiriya amabati aiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingiye chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati rolling mills iko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunamono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerungetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerungibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe gwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukonyagwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikonyarako bo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ouru MRM showroom onyareko bagokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya ouru superstores igiye gutoka se enyumba ya ouru complex imiyumucyo gobusongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra se namba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Amone